I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have a mound of fun here. Today's the day we're going to ask you in the comments if you are a active subscriber. And what that means is you watch my videos, you like my videos, and you leave comments on my videos. I'm sending out 2 of these. Well, I'm sending out 5. There's 6 of us doing a collab. This Happy Mail, and it's a big Happy Mail. Thank you to Darren, who is sponsoring this. My cameraman, my supporter, my enabler. God love you, Darren. We're sending out the doll with a bunch of stuff I'm going to show you in a minute. If you would like to participate in this upcoming collab on March 19th at 10 a.m. It is for a video, not a short. There is actually 2 videos. You can open your Happy Mail and make a video on that, and then join in on the collab with your doll. The idea of the collab, and it won't be everyone's cup of tea, and I understand that. We're going to make these Blythe dolls, and you can, they're very pretty. Let me show you what they look like before a makeover. They're very pretty. They do not need a makeover. However, I did one on my girl. She has purple eye chips. I'll show you in the collab video. But she's very pretty. You do not have to do a makeover. You do not have to sew. You can buy your outfits on, well, there's a lot of places. And what you're going to need is a Easter Bunny outfit, any way you want to interpret that, and a Playboy Bunny outfit for the collab March 19th. I'm getting these out now so that you have time to do whatever you want with the doll and then get your clothes made. While I'm talking about collabs, I want to mention, I forgot to mention this in my collab and challenge video that I just did. If you didn't see it, please go back and watch. There are a lot of opportunities. There is no need for the winter blues this year. You won't have time. Join in these collabs and opportunities, the challenges. There are so many out there. There's a new one added. Tina from Tina's Reborns is going to start doing a oh gosh, Tina, I'm sorry, I can't remember the name of it, but it's for any doll or a stuffed animal. And she's going to give a theme each month. And then I think she's doing the 15th of each month. Check with Tina. She just put a video up about that on her channel. That you can join in yet another challenge. Don't get the blues. Think ahead. Join in. Dress your dolls for the spring if you feel the blues coming in on you. Okay, let me show you real quick some of the stuff.
Wait, February 28th or something like that, you said there was another?
Oh, I almost forgot. Elise Explosion and I are doing a collab together to put out a challenge for February 23rd at 10 a.m. And that is to take a Blythe doll and do a makeover on it to become a Lord of the Rings type elf. And the fun thing about that is you can then use that doll for the elf challenge that's every month on the 21st. So just a fun thing. That's a heads up, and I know you need time to get those going. Mine has, I'm looking over here because that's where my dolls that I'm working on are. Mine has the face up, but I do not have her outfit yet, but I found some fabric. Oh, did I find some fabric. I'm excited about that. Leave in the comments below if you are interested in joining in the challenge for, or the collab for the Bunny Blythe. That's what I'm calling it, Bunny Blythe. And that would be, and then let me know if you want to receive a doll. Darren and I are going to do a, what do you call the spin? The giveaway spin. and that's for our active subscribers. And in that, you won't need much for her because you're going to get a neck joint, a stand, extra pull string in case you want to use that. There's this outfit. This outfit's kind of fun too because it has some Barbie items in there. This is actually a fashion doll outfit. There's black tights, Barbie shoes, Barbie hat, Barbie cuts. And you can use these on the challenge that Dory's Dollies and I put out every month on the 18th for our High Barbie challenges. Like I said, there's so many opportunities. I have to show you these. Darren prints these darling little chocolate Easter bunnies. It could be a pet or you could call it chocolate. I love them. There's shoes in here. There are headbands. It is a big Happy Mail sponsored by Darren. So let us know below. I'm sending out 5. 3 are spoken for. You're going to love who else is in the collab already. I can just tell you now. It'd be myself as a hostess, Darren as a sponsor, Dory's Dollies, and Ayla Avar. They are my sounding board. When I kind of got this idea, I said, hey, I have this idea. How do you think it's going to go over, and would you do it with me? So there's theirs, and then there's a channel I just found a few months ago, and I love her, the Dainty Seamstress. She is fantastic. She really is a dainty seamstress, and she's going to join in. So we have 2. Let us know below. I'm getting these packed. We're going to have this drawing coming up very soon so I can get this out to the winners and they can get started. If you are doing the challenge with your own doll or collab with your own doll, I need to get your name in the pot so that this is a collab. So in the collab, in the video, you need to mention every single channel that's going to be participating, as well as put it in the description. This is not a short, it is a video. So thank you for watching. Let us know below, and good luck. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.